Hello and welcome friends. In this video, we will be looking at Mahendra Singh Dhoni's 40 amazing records in the game of cricket. Hello friends, if you like this video, please share and subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you may not miss our upcoming updates. Record number 1. Dhoni became the first captain to win all 3 ICC Limited Over trophies: World Cup, Champions Trophy and the World 2020. Under his captaincy, India won the 2007 ICC World 2020, the 2010 and 2016 Asia Cups, the 2011 ICC Cricket World Cup and the 2013 ICC Champions Trophy. Record number 2. He was named as the captain of ICC World Test 11 in 2009, 2010 and 2013. He has also been selected a record 8 times in ICC World ODI 11 team, in which 5 times as captain. Record number 3. Dhoni holds the most wins by an Indian captain in ODIs and T20s and the most back-to-back wins. Record number 4. In 2013, under his captaincy, India became the first team in more than 40 years to whitewash Australia in a test series. Record number 5. He has played the most international matches, 332, as captain. Record number 6. Dhoni is the first and so far only wicket-keeper to effect 150 stumping dismissals across the 3 forms of the game. His current total number of stumpings in internationals stands at 161. Record number 7. Mahendra Singh Dhoni has captained the Indian national team in limited over formats from 2007 to 2016 and in Test cricket from 2008 to 2014. Record number 8. Dhoni also led the Indian team to number 1 position for the first time in 2009 ICC Test rankings. Record number 9. He is the most successful Indian Test captain with 27 Test wins. Record number 10. He is the first Indian wicket-keeper to complete 4,000 Test runs. Record number 11. Dhoni's 224 runs against Australia in Chennai is the 3rd highest score by an Indian captain. Record number 12. His maiden Test century against Pakistan in Faisalabad of 148 runs is the fastest century scored by an Indian wicket-keeper and the 4th overall. Record number 13. After hitting a 6 in the 3rd Test against England in Southampton, Dhoni completed 50 sixes as a captain, which is an Indian record. Record number 14. Dhoni, with 294 dismissals in his career, ranks first in the all-time dismissals list by Indian wicket-keepers. Record number 15. He shares the record for most dismissals in an innings with Syed Kirmani, which is 6, and in a match which is 9 by an Indian wicket-keeper. Record number 16. Dhoni is the 3rd captain and the first non-Australian overall to win 100 games. Record number 17. He is the 4th Indian to reach 10,000 ODI runs after Sachin Tendulkar, Sourav Ganguly and Rahul Dravid, and also the 2nd wicket-keeper to reach the milestone. Record number 18. He is the first player to pass 10,000 runs in ODI cricket with having a career average of over 50. Record number 19. Dhoni has the 5th highest batting average, 51.09, among cricketers with more than 5,000 runs, and the 2nd highest batting average among players with an aggregate of over 10,000 runs. Record number 20. He holds most career runs of 4,031 in ODI history when batting at number 6. Record number 21. He is the only player to score more than 100 in ODI cricket when batting at number 7 position or lower, and Dhoni has 2 centuries at this position. Record number 22. Dhoni and Bhuvaneshwar Kumar were involved in a partnership of 100 runs not out against Sri Lanka, which is India's highest 8th wicket partnership in ODIs. Record number 23. He holds most not outs in ODIs, which is 82. Record number 24. He is the first Indian and 5th overall to hit 200 sixes in ODIs. Record number 25. Dhoni's 183 not out against Sri Lanka in 2005 is the highest score by a wicketkeeper. Record number 26. He holds most unbeaten innings and highest average in successful ODI run chases. Record number 27. Dhoni's 113 runs against Pakistan in Chennai in 2012 is the highest by a captain batting at number 7. Record number 28. He holds the record for playing the most matches, that is 200, in an ODI history as captain, who has also served as wicketkeeper. Record number 29. Dhoni holds the record for most dismissals in an innings, 6, and career 432 by an Indian wicketkeeper. Record number 30. He is the first Indian wicketkeeper to take 300 ODI catches and 4th wicketkeeper in the world to achieve this feat. Record number 31. Dhoni has the most stumpings, 120, by any wicketkeeper in an ODI career and is so far the only keeper to pass 100 stumpings. Record number 32. Dhoni holds most wins, that is 41, in T20 internationals as captain. Record number 33. He holds most matches, 72, as captain in T20 internationals. Record number 34. He also holds most matches, 72, in T20 international history as both captain and wicketkeeper. Record number 35. He has 84 most consecutive T20 international innings without a duck. Record 36. Dhoni holds the record for playing the most T20 international innings, 76, and scored the most runs, 1153, before scoring a 50. Record number 37. He has most dismissals, 87, as wicketkeeper in T20 internationals. Record number 38. He also has most catches, 54, as wicketkeeper in T20 internationals. Record number 39. Dhoni holds most stumpings, 33, as a wicketkeeper in T20 internationals. Record number 40. He also holds most catches, 5, as wicketkeeper in a T20 innings. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.